Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Matt. Welcome back to my channel. Now this is going to be another review of the successful solution method. Now the commissions keep flowing in non-stop daily now for some of our members. Now as you can see, if you go down here, Trisha Smith, this was just yesterday and she got another $100 in the system. Now if we go down here, well, this is Michael Christensen. As you can see, he made $350 already, and $150 there, $200. Go down the list here. Another member, she made over $9,000 in the first 5 weeks. And she posted what a blessing this program is. And 704 unique visitors to her website. Now this is just, again, this is no recruiting, no selling or telling. The system does all the work. All you have to do is complete daily tasks. Probably just take an hour, 2 hours out of the day to complete simple tasks, and you'll get results like this. We had our webinar a couple days ago, which we do have every week. Another person, Javada, she made another $150. Another person, Jessie Lynn, she made $1,000 in one day. Let's see. Marlene made $120. So a lot of people who have never made money online is now making money with this program. Now, if you head back over to the members area, the first step is join the Facebook community. The next you want to do is register as an affiliate. Okay. Step 3 is complete the task to increase your commissions. Step 4 is claim a traffic package. Now with this, it's very important that you do this because you just don't want to send any traffic to it. A lot of people starting out, they just go straight to solo ads, or they hear solo ads is the quickest option, but you don't really know what you're getting out of solo ads. So I would just come here to get traffic. Step 5 is meet with your success coach, and then you want to join our Telegram group where we have tips and tricks and a lot of help with our active group to help out our new members. All right, and then what you want to do is download the Telegram app. Now I'm going to take you to my back office. This is just within 2 weeks of joining the program. I made over $100, or I made $100 already. So this program does work. There's some people that don't make their first commissions until 6 months in, or even a year in after that. So this, like I said, this program does work, and if you're interested, just click on the link below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.